In recent times, you may have witnessed numerous theories circulating about Gala Princess Catherine, the wife of Prince William. Speculations range from Catherine being in a coma, undergoing cosmetic procedures, or even being deceased. Some suggest she may have left her home due to infidelity rumors reminiscent of her late mother-in-law's fate. All these theories emerged during Catherine's absence from public view for about 3 months, since Christmas. Her absence sparked a massive question: where is Kate? The media frenzy, fueled by her absence at events like the BAFTA Awards and sightings near hospitals, forced the royal family to issue a statement. Princess Catherine recently released a video, revealing she's undergoing cancer treatment and needs privacy during this time. While some find this explanation satisfactory, others remain skeptical, believing there's more to the story. Amidst the debates, let's delve into who Princess Catherine really is. This time I'll keep it brief. Thank you for your continued support and lovely comments on our videos. Subscribing would mean a lot to us, enabling us to produce more and better content. Thank you in advance for your support. If you've subscribed already, let's proceed with the video. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982, in Berkshire. She has 2 siblings, Pippa Charlotte and James Williams. What sets Kate apart from other royal brides is significant. Unlike Princess Diana, who came from a powerful and wealthy aristocratic family, or Camilla, who is a granddaughter of a baron, or Elizabeth, who knew she would become queen from the age of 10, Kate's background is different. Her parents, while working as flight attendants for British Airways, met. In 1987, they started a business called Party Pieces, selling retail supplies for children's parties. Their venture began modestly, with advertising through distributed brochures. By 1995, they had expanded significantly. Kate benefited from both the success of this venture and her family's hard-earned wealth, enabling her to attend prestigious schools in affluent areas. One of the schools she attended was Marlborough College, known as one of Britain's most expensive and best schools. Its alumni include Nobel laureate Peter Medawar, poet John Betjeman, art historian and Soviet spy Anthony Blunt, Chancellor of the Exchequer Rab Butler, and Home Secretary Henry Brooke. Kate excelled academically and stood out in athletics, serving as the captain of the school's hockey team. Later, in 2001, she ventured to Scotland, where she pursued art history at the esteemed University of St Andrews. This institution boasts an impressive alumni roster, including James Wilson, a signer of the American Declaration of Independence, Protestant Reformation leader John Knox, and Nobel Prize-winning physician James W. Black. It was at St Andrews that Catherine crossed paths with Prince William. Their meeting wasn't entirely surprising, considering she already socialised within the elite circle known as the Glossy Posse, comprised of the closest friends of the Duke of Gloucester. Alongside her sister Pippa, she frequented London nightclubs, a lifestyle that might have raised eyebrows within the royal family, perhaps seen as too common. While at St Andrews, she worked part-time as a waitress. After graduating, she briefly delved into the fashion industry, focusing on accessory procurement, before immersing herself in philanthropic endeavours within her family's company. During this time, she was the prince's unannounced girlfriend, displaying a keen interest in charitable causes and possessing a knack for photography. In 2007, she curated a photography exhibition for UNICEF to raise funds, showcasing her dedication to humanitarian efforts. Embracing activities traditionally associated with royal women, such as reading to children and participating in charitable events, she seamlessly integrated into royal life on the cusp of her engagement to the prince. These efforts also served to erase her partying past from public memory before the announcement of their engagement. Their relationship, which began in 2003, evolved to the point where they shared a home with friends just 2 years later. At the end of 2006, Prince William graduated from the Royal Military Academy Sandhurst, with Kate by his side at the passing out parade. Their relationship had its ups and downs, with 2 breakups followed by reconciliations. It wasn't until 2010, during a holiday in Kenya, that they became engaged. The same year, they moved into a country cottage in Wales, where Prince William was stationed for military duty. Due to their years-long courtship, the media affectionately dubbed her Waity Katie. In 2011, they tied the knot in a grand ceremony at Westminster Abbey in London, watched by an estimated 300 million people worldwide. William presented Kate with his late mother Princess Diana's iconic cursed ring, which has sparked speculation about its ominous history. Indeed, this ring is said to be cursed, carrying the traces of misfortune from Diana's tumultuous life. Furthermore, the stone in the ring, the Koh-i-Noor, has a notorious reputation. It is believed that this gem, brought from India, can only be worn by women. If men wear it, they will attract bad luck. While we won't comment on its accuracy, it's evident that the royal family believes in it. Hence, crowns adorned with the ring and the Koh-i-Noor are exclusively bestowed upon women. After delving into this myth, let's return to Kate's story. The author of the royal book, Christopher Anderson, once remarked about Kate, despite the condescension towards her family's working-class background, that she would be the first queen with a university degree, a valuable statistic for the monarchy indeed. Though she has a university degree, being a queen is a role one is born into after all. Kate also gave birth in 2012, 2015 and 2018, with each pregnancy reportedly challenging. Perhaps there's a connection to her illness here. Let me briefly recount Kate's disappearance from the public eye for you. In January, Kensington Palace announced that Kate underwent lower abdominal surgery. The statement emphasised her desire to maintain normalcy for her children and hoped the public would understand her wish for medical privacy. She was discharged from the hospital at the end of January. Since then, the palace has reassured the public that Kate's condition is good and that they will only provide updates on significant developments. Recently, Kate also did not attend a royal engagement due to personal reasons. Social media went into a frenzy, speculating wildly. Some suggested Kate couldn't face the public after a botched hair dye job, while others hinted at cosmetic procedures gone wrong. Some even speculated on darker scenarios, such as infidelity leading to her departure from home. Or perhaps Kate was the one being unfaithful. Some even went so far as to suggest the royal family had decided on her fate, echoing the tragic end of Diana. Is Kate really alive? It's not just social media users but also prominent journalists who are part of these theories. One famous journalist even said about Kate, "I've heard things that, if even half of them are true, are quite concerning." There were even claims circulating that Kate had been murdered and that the photos shared on social media were manipulated to prove otherwise. Speaking of manipulated images, there were indeed alterations in the photo of Kate with her children. Allegations arose pointing out discrepancies, such as Princess Charlotte's sleeve matching Prince Louis's shoulder and the interruption of lines on the wall in the background, suggesting the photo had been tampered with. Following this, news sources retracted their shares, clarifying that the photo was not genuine. Kate felt compelled to make a statement, tweeting, "Like many amateur photographers, I occasionally experiment with editing. I want to apologize for any confusion caused by the family photo shared yesterday." Despite requests for the unedited version of the photo, it was not shared. In a video released last Friday, the princess revealed she had been diagnosed with cancer. Users claiming to have subjected Kate's videos to an AI or real test said they found that 96% of the video was produced using artificial intelligence. So, nobody knows where Kate is and what has happened to her. Or should we consider this as Britain's masterful tightrope act? While there are many pressing issues in the world, it's crucial not to overlook the possibility that drawing attention to such matters could be a calculated political move. Remember, in politics, the most harmless thing is often gossip. Time will tell what the future holds for Kate, whether she's truly ill and if she'll recover. For those who have watched the entire video, I'd like to offer a suggestion once again. If you're interested in these topics and want to stay informed about current affairs, consider checking out our Spacey Sagas YouTube channel, where you'll find numerous videos tailored to your interests. Thank you all for watching the video. Please share your thoughts on what the structure could be in the comments section. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Until the next video, take care of yourselves.